Hello and welcome to CryptoBot Profits. Today we will talk about how to day trade Bitcoin. If you want to earn money by day trading, you need to learn a few things to put yourself on the right path. We will give you a proper introduction to day trading Bitcoin, the technical and psychological aspects, what you should know in advance, and how to maintain a stable income. Believe it or not, the Bitcoin network still has big unrealized potential. Developers are continually working to improve its scalability, privacy-enhancing features, and add other functionalities. This is why it's not too late to get into Bitcoin day trading. However, it will take a lot of preparation and effort on your part. In day trading, positions should be closed by the end of a working day, and you'll need a high degree of self-discipline and objectivity. You'll notice that each section is broken up into modules that contain video walkthroughs, written descriptions, and downloadable worksheets. To go along with each one, you can download and print these assets to follow along if needed. So let's get started. If at any time you have questions, comments, or concerns, do not hesitate to contact our friendly support team by sending an email to support@cryptobotprofits.com or send us a message using the Help tab on this page. Reportedly, good day traders make 1 to 2% in profit per day. The statistical probability is slim, but how can you beat the odds? Your chances of success depend on taking the right steps before you start trading. First, you need to understand better how blockchain itself works and what makes it different from the traditional model of transactions. Learn the basics through our free resources and guides posted on website. And then, gather a variety of opinions from people who know what they are talking about. Second, pay attention to all the aspects, positive as well as negative. Research impartial resources that will objectively highlight different peculiarities of this market. There is a lot to learn from blogs, books, online classes, documentaries, etc. Also, accept the inherent risks. In this risky market, things can go wrong at any time. For example, in late June 2019, the Bitcoin price fell by 15% after a violent sell-off. Interestingly, even seasoned traders were caught off guard. Then, determine how much you can invest. Considering the volatility of Bitcoin, you can expect a lot of ups and downs. Your existing capital, risk tolerance, and financial goals are the main determinants. You have to catch up to speed with the recent industry updates. Various studies have shown that the media is the most important source of influence on the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Certain news spreads like wildfire and the price of Bitcoin gets impacted. For example, a simple declaration of a large company's interest in Bitcoin may cause a sharp increase in the price. Remember to follow up into politics. Political events also have an impact. During the Greek crisis in 2015, many Greek traders invested in cryptocurrency and affected it. Similarly, presidential elections or the Brexit will affect Bitcoin's price before any other crypto. Finally, find good software. If the software interacts directly with financial exchanges, it is a useful tool in such rapidly changing settings of daily trading, based on the comprehensive interpretation of the market data. Even though you can get deep into highly technical indicators, you should learn the basics of simple day trading strategies in the beginning. It does not necessarily have to be an intricate strategy that you can't wrap your head around. When it comes to starting out, the more straightforward, the more effective. Basic questions you should be asking yourself when deciding on a strategy are: how much effort are you willing to put into the process? Can you manage sitting behind the computer for a long time, or do you want minimal involvement? What kind of expertise does the strategy require? With varying degrees of complexity, you need to find a suitable one for your skills. When do you want to see the first results? Do you expect to start earning as soon as possible, or can you give it some time? What trading style would suit your personality best? Decide if you should stick with formula-like systems or follow a more creative and intuitive approach. Do you want to play it safe or make riskier but potentially more profitable trades? What are the regulations in your country? They can eliminate certain strategies. For example, the U.S. regulations place limits on leverage and hedging. In any case, day trading is a very particular kind of activity. Positions are based on short-term movements, so you need to respond quickly. If there is relevant news that could affect the price or you see an emerging pattern, the window for any actions is very limited. After you master basic techniques, you could consider using a series of strategies.
There is no denying that computers can perform calculations much better than humans. It is crucial, especially when there is real money on the line. The success heavily depends on how the trader's psychological state, whereas a bot is not subject to emotions. People often make mistakes by holding trades for additional gains, even though it goes against their chosen strategies. Failure to stick to the plan can have significant ramifications. People lose existing profit just because they feel they can get more. Another human flaw to point out is not being able to react quickly enough. Trading bots never make erratic decisions because a predetermined algorithm dictates every action. Also, when it comes to day trading, timing is key. Bots can react to data and execute transactions in a matter of seconds. However, a trading bot is as good as the technology behind it. When you choose the automated trading platform by 3 commas, you get a robust platform with no downtime and technical hiccups. And considering you can share and learn strategies, indicators, and settings with other traders in the community, your trading improves even further.
How to find a trend. Trends show the momentum of Bitcoin price changes in a particular direction. You can identify these patterns on a chart and make decisions based on that data. It's not hard to tell the price direction, as it is indirectly represented on a chart through these invisible lines. Thank you for watching. For more news about crypto and trading, remember to visit us on our social media, as well as our blogs here in CryptoBotProfits.com. Finding a trend. However, it is obvious that prices don't follow the lines precisely, but rather move back and forth between an upper and a lower trend line. A trend channel is when peaks in an uptrend and throughs in a downtrend form a trend channel, which is a commonly used concept in the technical price analysis. The channels show where Bitcoin is trading at a particular time and compares it to the overall direction. Many traders shared their experiences about their psychological struggles that have caused them losses. If you want to avoid quietly sabotaging your trading profits, adopt the right mindset. Don't get greedy. You cannot get rich instantly, so you shouldn't try to. Slow and steady wins the race. Take responsibility. If you constantly blame your losses on others, you don't learn from your mistakes. See what you did incorrectly and make the necessary changes. Accept the risks. Fear can be detrimental to your ability to make the right decisions. Make peace with the fact that funds allocated for trading can be lost. Then you can act rationally. Improve self-discipline. Making money on trading Bitcoin is not just a hobby that you can get in and out of whenever you want. Rearrange your schedule so that you can always find the time without making excuses. Develop a winning attitude. Even though the cryptocurrency market can be unpredictable, you need to maintain a sense of control. Stay reasonably confident and trust your knowledge and trading plan.